party on the trap now.
Up, Eric?
With my balls off.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm gonna show you the Ram here in just a second, but hopefully you guys are enjoying all the Ram videos. I've got another one based off of towing because actually we're on our way to Houston for Kevin to race the Charger, and we were supposed to tow with his Trackhawk, although the trailer that we're using was too heavy for the Trackhawk actually, and his airbag setup would not go high enough. The wheels were literally touching the fender liner, so there's no way we could have hit any bumps, and it was already touching the fender liner. Hold on, I gotta take the gas out. It was already touching the fender liner with no one even in the car. So we've got 4 people with us, so adding the 4 people would really inhibit the Trackhawk being able to drive to Houston. So we had to end up taking my Ram, which is fine because I really wanted to see how this would do with an open car trailer and with a vehicle behind it. Now, take into consideration, this is a 4,500 pound 4-door Charger Hellcat that we are towing, so it's a very heavy car. Because you guys are about to laugh when I show you the Ram right now. Let me lock his car. Look how low the Ram is in the back. It is bad. So what I need to do is I need to get a weight distribution hitch for that, so it distributes the weight better, gets it off the tongue. I need to fix that latch. And I'm definitely getting some airbags back there, like an airlift, some type of airbags back there. I think Easy Lift or one of those companies, they make them. They're only a couple $100 and it goes between the body and the frame so we can level it out. Now the problem is that I just added a 2.5-inch lift, spacer lift to the front, which makes it look even worse. So let's get a whole shot here. See how bad it looks. It wouldn't look as bad if it didn't have the 2.5-inch in the front, but we do, so it looks pretty bad. But it is towing phenomenally. So when I towed the enclosed trailer, I was kind of upset after I made the video. If you want to go see my reaction and how I felt about it, you can go watch that video. But I'm really impressed actually how this is towing. I'm barely having to give it like a quarter throttle to go up small hills. It's not like I have to be in a low gear and it's revving out through the RPM range. Like it's got plenty of power. It does have the 392 gear. It's got plenty of power, plenty of torque. I don't have to get on it at all, and not even when I need to pass people. You can feel the trailer a little bit behind there, but we do have a 4,500 pound car, and probably this is a 20-foot steel dual axle trailer. I'd say it's like 2,000 pounds. So we do have a fair amount of weight back there, and then there's 4 people in the truck, so we have a lot of weight. And how you doing, Kennedy?
Paparazzi.
Paparazzi! But it's riding amazingly. The ride quality has not changed at all. Typically when you have a lot of weight that is being pulled, you can kind of feel the truck bouncing around. You can feel the trailer being pulled and back and forth, and it's not doing that at all. It's pulling it really well, so I'm actually really impressed and I'm really happy with it. I just need to fix the back sag. So we're gonna get a weight distribution hitch in the future, because I'm gonna start towing once I get my project car. So I'm gonna get a weight distribution hitch, and we're gonna add some airbags to the back. Right now, as far as fuel mileage is going, we are actually getting 12.5, but it's slowly going down. So it's actually getting better gas mileage than it was, but it is slowly going down. What is he yelling at? Where did he go? I don't know where he went. Kevin's yelling in there. Let's go see what Kevin's yelling about. So we just filled up the Ram with some gas. But yeah, I'm actually really excited with how it's towing. At the time I'm filming this, it is no lie, 2 a.m. and we're at this Love's gas station. I don't know where we are, but look at this goofy bastard. What time is it? 2? I think it's close to
1:45.
Where are we at? You know?
Quanah.
Let's get some snacks. Look, we found a Hellcat. It's a Hellcat. Alright, so I need some caffeine. Got Bangs, Zions, Rockstar, Typical Monster, So we actually have to go for a monster today. Let's go. And we're gonna get some beef jerky. Like a dumbass, I forgot my wallet in the truck. So I just got some snacks and I got a monster to get some caffeine, but I'll give you guys one more look at how ridiculous the truck looks. So definitely probably not the safest bet, but it's working out right now.
Yep.
Y'all quit messing around in here.
He's over here.
Hey, real quick. We did a live chat. You guys donated $302.
That was lit.
That's going to gas money. Thank you.
We need it.
For real.
This truck can't haul.
Wow, this truck's doing great, actually. That's what this video's about. All right, we're getting back on the road. So, plenty of videos to come from this weekend in Houston.
I was getting really ready for your outro.
I was about to, but I was just telling everyone how impressed I am by this truck. Because I was not impressed.
Oh shit, don't rev your exhaust as a cop.
Just kidding, we're in Texas. Sorry, Misa.
Yeah, fucking
So, make sure you guys stay tuned. We've got so many videos coming from Houston, and you'll probably see these when we get back from Houston. But it's going to be an awesome weekend. It's 2 a.m. Kevin?
See you guys
We need you
Where
to.
are we?
He was supposed to say we're out this bitch, but whatever.
point
Make sure you guys always
Kevin.
comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, at Vammy39. We'll see you guys on the next one. You want to plug, Eric?
Roll down your window, record them, and
That's not fun.
remote.
He doesn't get a
car.
plug. Peace.